Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the best fixed settings for shipping e-commerce. Let's get started. So if you have seen this page right here, what you can do is you can actually just scroll on this left sidebar until it reaches settings. Now on the settings, you can see this shipping and fulfillment. So just click on that. Then someone there should be able to see this page right here wherein you can see the shipping widgets. Now, as you can see right here, I have shipping rate by weight. I have here free shipping, and I have here shipping flat rate. Now, all of the shipping options are good, but we can actually assign a best shipping option, which is by product. So let's head over and just click on this international right here and edit it. You can also add in a new region if you want. But for me, I'll just edit this one that I have right now. Now, for this one we can just scroll down until we reach this free shipping right here. Now, we don't want it to be free shipping. So click on this, then scroll down until it gets to be straight by product. So stick on this one, and then just apply the specific changes that you have for this. Now, as you can see, now we have click on it, we can actually create product groups. So we can assign products to groups that share the same shipping rates. So click on create groups. And then from in there, you can actually add in the group name. Like for example, let's put in mirror art and then click on next. And then once you have clicked on next, you can choose specific product that you want at a specific group. So for example, let's put these things right here on the art product group. Then from in there, you can actually just add a new product group if you want. As you can see, since we only had one product group, all of the products are on default of the first group. Now we can add a new group in order to assign them to a new group. Like for example, let's assign it to furniture. Now once you have checked on that, click on this. As you can see, it will be assigned to furniture. And then as you can see, these things here are on default, so you can change this one by one as well if you want. So let's just head over and change this. Then once you have changed everything, you can actually just save the settings that you have actually added in here. So as you can see, I had changed here that are on the product group of art. Now I just click on done. And then on this specific product group, I should be able to put in here a shipping option name. So let's put in here a shipping option name. For example, let's put in here product shipping. Then this estimated delivery time, let's put in here 2 to 4 days. And then here we have here the default rate for our first which is our first group, which is the art. We can put in here 100. And then the furniture rate, which is the second group, we can put in here another shipping rate. So from in there, you can just head over and see that we have changed the specific things. Now under this advanced settings, you can see how the shipping is rated. So as you can see, you have here the option of applying group rate to each product, applying group rate once for all product ordered from group, or applying the highest group rate once to the entire order. Now for this one, what you can do is you can just choose the second option right here, just apply group rate once for all product ordered from a group. So in that way, if actual customer gets some order from both groups, you can apply their weight once for all products ordered from a group, which will make it double since this has a lot of product. Now from in there, you can actually add in here a local delivery if you want, or you can also add in here a pickup. Now once you have done everything, just click on save, and this will save your progress for that specific region right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.